Hey guys, how you all doing? Today is an easy one. We're going to make barbecue chicken skewers with the bog standard, very easy marinade. Okay, so we want some garlic. Oh, not too much, about 5 or 6 cloves. About 3 coriander cilantro roots chopped up. Half a teaspoon of salt. About a teaspoon of white pepper. And we're going to give that a mash. Now, we don't tend to use black peppercorns in Thailand. It's normally white peppercorns or just white pepper ground up. Anyway, give it a mash, and then we're going to put it on our chicken meat. And today I'm using chopped up chicken thigh meat. And to that we need to add about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm using seasoning soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And 1.5 tablespoons of palm sugar. Then we need to give it a good mix up. Rub it all into the meat. Get the marinades, work it all the way around the meat. And then we're going to cover it. We need to cover for about 4 or 5 hours or overnight. Now I'll cover mine overnight. Okay, what we need to do is soak some skewers. This will prevent the skewers from burning when we grill our meat. All we got to do now is skewer our meat, but be careful, don't forget that the skewer has a point on. We don't want to be sticking this in our fingers. So skewer the meat, put as much on or as little as you like, whatever you prefer. So all we'll do is skewer all our skewers and use all our meat. Now if you're barbecuing, don't forget, make sure that your barbecue is lit and on and the coals are not with flame, they are just glowing. Or you could actually just put this on the grill, under a grill, or in a pan actually. But I'm barbecuing mine. So on the barbecue we go. Now chicken meat, and don't forget this has obviously got sugar in the marinade, will tend to stick a little bit, so you have to be a bit careful. You have to work the skewers very gently. We do not want to rip all the chicken off and leave it on the barbecue. So nice and gently, just work the skewers, and we need to swap them around because obviously barbecues is hotter in one place than it is in another. We need even cooking, so we're just going to swap and change around to get our even cooking. Now as we go, we'll get burnt bits on our skewers. What we need to do is trim them off as we are cooking, and the easiest way to trim this off is with a pair of scissors. Very simple, just trim with a pair of scissors as we go, and then there will be hardly any burn bits on our skewers when we've finished. There we are guys, that's our chicken skewers done. All we got to do now is eat and enjoy. There we go, guys, look at that. Absolutely delicious, fantastic. Very tender meat, a little bit sweet. Awesome. And in the north, we eat with sticky rice. Now guys, if you like what we're doing, cooking real Thai food, don't forget, like and subscribe. We'll catch you next time.